guys, Blaine here from Spinning Winning Slots. Just sat down, I put a $40 bill in, and look what we got already. I won a little nickel bet, went boo, and then I got fourth spin. Actually, fifth spin, I think. But I hit the Holden spin, so we got a couple dollars there, so let's see what we get. Well, wait, let's see what we might get. We got a $16,000 grand, $906 major, a $50 minor, and a $10 innie. All right, we're just low rolling at 50 cents. We're here at Hartford Four Winds Casino. Let's do some spinning and winning. But before we do, make sure you hit that big red word that says subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, here we go. We're spinning and winning, guys. Let's fill this in with a major or grand. Hit it. Come on. Ooh, 250 again. Let's keep those 250 and above. Come on, do it, do it, do it. No 50 centers. We want big bucks. No. Oh, I saw that major go by. Did you see the green lettering there on the left? Come on. It's rolling in there, so we know it's there. Some 50 centers. Let's go. Drop the big boy right there. Okay, that's the big boy, but let's go bigger. Fill it in then. Oh, there was a mini. Come on. Drop that major. Nope. All right, guys. That's all right. Here's what we got. That's pretty good for just starting out. Low rolling. Got some bigger numbers there. What do we got? Looks like we got a coin show. There we go, guys. $24. Not bad for just getting started on the fourth spin or fifth spin. I think fifth spin. Fifth spin? No, fourth spin, because we got a nickel back. Whatever. It really doesn't matter. We got a coin show. And I know there's a couple people that like these coin shows, so... New, Carrie, those are for you. You know, they're fun to get. I don't care whether it's $100, $500, but, you know, I'll take it. You take what you get when you're spinning and winning. Now, it's nice. We've got 2 new Lightning Link games here at Hartford Four Winds. We've got Dragon Riches. And we have whatever this one's called. It's the tiger one. I forgot the name. And, of course, they're not working today, so we'll do a couple backup spins, see what we get. Well, that was nice to see that major rolling in there on the Holden spin, but ouch. Would have been nice if it dropped. All right, we got some 9s, we got some cars. Help that along. We get 280 out of that. Come on, chips. And then we got a little boop. All right. We'll play this back to $60 and see what we get. Come on. Oh, chips. Kind of got, ooh, there's some cars. 25 cents worth. Yay. Come on. Ooh. This thing's dropping some big chips on this 50-cent bet. All right, let's keep it going then. We'll play a few more spins. As long as we got this going on camera. Come on. Oh, nickel on Showgirls. I think that's what I got before. A little bit of cards, money back. There we got some queens. A couple briefcases there. We could have used the other one. A little bit back, not much there. Come on. Because the lady always sits over here on the Liberty Link going, hit, 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 hit. Oh, jiggle, jiggle. And there's the other one we needed for that. All right. A couple more spins. We're going to stop at 55. All right, what do we got? Yeah, let's do one more spin. There we go. And that'll take us back to 55. Okay, guys, just a little short little video, but we'll bring you back and get something else. Keep spinning and winning. Hi guys, Blaine here again. Just got the briefcase bonus. I pretty much played that down almost to $40. We're at $42.16. So let's do some more spinning and winning. Get that pot built back up. Come on, do it. Hit it, 10s or something. All right, well, we got 10s and cards. A little bit there. It'll add up, nothing big, but a couple bucks. What we need is to drop that chip down here. Just drop the major in here. The major is $906. See that up there? That's what we're playing for. Just a reminder. And we're setting at 430. That's all right. We're just low rolling at 50 cents, but I've seen these drop majors all day long on 50-cent bets. We had that major rolling around on the last bonus on the hold and spin, so I've seen it come up on here and drop that major chip right there on the big center, right here. If we ever get this thing spinning and winning. Come on, let's go. Oh, there it goes. All right, come on. Oh, did you see the minor? Well, that's what I was talking about. There was the minor and another one on there. Come on, hit it. Oh, 3 games. That's the way we do it. Do a little more spin and Blain style. We got 3 more free games. You know, and you get the trigger for that. Come on, do it. Cards or chip. I want that chip. Bigger chip. Oh, I don't know what that bigger chip was, but it was a bigger amount. Almost looked like $100. All right, come on, either re-trigger, line something up really good, or let's get that hold and spin. There's some bigger numbers running around in there on that. All right, come on, chip, chip, chip. Oh, 9, come on. Don't waste our free spins, come on. There we go, cars. There we go. It's a good 5 of a kind. No coin show, but yeah, total up top. All right, one of the better symbols, so probably about 750 to 10. Hoping 10, but we'll take 7 or 8 or 6. See what we get here. Like I said, I started out with a $40 bill. We've been playing this kind of up and down now. Oh, 630, that's all right. We're up to $12. We've got a couple more games here, 2 more games. Maybe we get the re-trigger or drop that major. Let's see what happens. Come on, do it. Oh, come on. Oh, queen. Come on, hit us with a chip. No. All right, guys. $12 again. We're up to 54. We'll take a couple backup spins just to see what happens. Do a little fast tap. Nope, nothing there. Oh, see that other briefcase land up there? Okay. Come on. I'll play it to 50 and then we'll cash out and call it good. Come on, hit her. Oh. Do it. There we go, guys. We got the hold and spin again. All right, let's just keep bonus after bonus. Here we go. What do we got on here? 250 centers, 350 centers, a $2 and a $2.50. All right, so what do we got? $1.50, 4, 5, 6 starting out. That's all right. We just came out of the other bonus. Let's get that major. Drop it. Saw a mini flyby. Let's drop that too. Oh shit, guys! Just dropping those. Drop the major and a minor right at the same time. We'll just call this good. Come on, save us. Hit it something. I don't give a shit what it's worth. Okay. Well, lots of stuff hitting there at the one time. Probably not big bucks. Maybe 10, 12. There we go. Yeah, $11.50, but you know what? Not going to be a coin show, just going to add up. There we go, that's all right. We're a winner, baby. Let's give this a couple more backup spins, and let's just see what we do. Here we go. This machine's paying, you know, why not? You know, we went up, you know. Take a couple more spins. Oh, I heard buffalo in the background. Yeah, we started out with a $40 bill. We're up to $57.96 right now. Help that along there. Ooh. Dropping that minor. It's rotten. If you're going to drop those bigger chips, just keep dropping them. Same way with the briefcases. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Oh. I mean, they were only 50 centers, but it's still fun. The whole idea of this, guys, if you're out spinning and winning, do it to have fun. You know, if you win something big, all the better. But you know what? Go play on what you can play on and just have a good time. That's what it's all about for me. I'm having fun. You know, started the... Oh, hit it. Oh. Started the channel back on the 4th of July just to have fun with it. You know, I always posted a lot of photos to Facebook. So why not? And we're already over... Today was my 1,150 subscribers. Hit it. You know what? I'm just going to play this back to 50. We got to... You know, if we don't hit anything else... Not much there. All right. Got like 2 spins left if we don't hit anything. Actually, last spin. Okay. 10 cents. Didn't give us enough. All right, guys. But you know what? It's all about having fun. So if you're going to the casino, you're playing slots, have fun with it. And keep spinning and winning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Cheers.